I'm Rahul Singh. I am the CIO Equities at Tata Mutual Fund, and I manage the Balanced Advantage Fund, of which we are going to talk about. I have a total cumulative experience of 25 years in the financial services industry, with the last 20 years being in equity research and on the fund management side. We would like to congratulate Moneyfi on completing first year. You can get your money in action by downloading Moneyfi. The Balanced Advantage Fund belongs to the dynamic asset allocation category, where based on certain parameters and variables, the fund dynamically allocates capital between equity and debt so that the investor can ride through the equity volatility and get stable returns.
Tata Balanced Advantage Fund would make use of various alternative models depending upon macro, fundamental factors, and fund manager outlook to determine the unhedged equity allocation. The model described herein is being currently used and may change depending on market scenario.
There are two critical parameters or two critical parts of the Tata Balanced Advantage Fund model that I wanted to talk about. First is that we look at the trailing P and the average of the trailing P and the forward P for allocating equity proportion or equity in the total capital. So for example, if the average P of trailing as well as forward 12 months is very high, the fund will automatically allocate lower proportion to equity and vice versa. So that's the key to really any dynamic asset allocation model. And Tata Balanced Advantage Fund has the advantage of taking both the forward P and the trailing P. Second, and the most important part of the Balanced Advantage Fund model which we have is that we give also some importance to the technical and momentum indicators. And this is very important because traditionally Balanced Advantage Fund models have suffered from the shortcoming of either entering equity too early or exiting to equity too early in a unidirectional bull market or a bear market. So what the momentum and technical indicators do is also to give an add-on signal, a positive add-on or negative add-on signal, which we use over and above what we get from the price earnings multiple or the PE ratio model, which I talked about initially. So as you can see, the model works with a combination of fundamental and technical indicators, which I think is very important in markets like today. And more importantly, Balanced Advantage Fund as a category is very, very important and more holding for any investor in markets like today, because today the risks are more global, less domestic. There are things which are not in your control, which can lead to short-term corrections in equity markets, like we very well saw in 2020, where Balanced Advantage funds came out standing and came out with flying colors because they could increase equity when the markets corrected, and they were sitting on lower equity proportion when the markets were getting into correction. So to summarize, I think Balanced Advantage Fund should be a core holding for any investor looking to invest. And also, I think it is something which can help ride you through the volatility in the equity markets, which is bound to happen, given that at various points of time, there are risk factors at work. You can start an SIP in Tata Balanced Advantage Fund on Tata Capital's Moneyfi app. Link to download the Moneyfi app is provided by Tata Capital in the description. Thank you and all the best.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.